Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about Docker. As you all know, Docker is the widely used containerization tool. In this technique, we package the application with the dependencies, right? For example, to run our Node.js application, we want the Node.js installation and Node modules to be present in the same environment we are running, right? So that it can be like our application can be run in the different environment, right? In the containerization, what we will do, we will package the application and apply application dependencies together so that it can be easily deployed and run in the different environment. Either it will be local machine as well as like server, right? Like dev, staging, or production server. It makes the process easy and very fast. Let's start with the installation. Installation steps, you can refer the official docs page. Based on your operating system, you can follow the link provided here. It's in pretty easy and straightforward steps. Once the installation is completed, you'll be able to find Docker desktop application installed in your machine. This is how the application looks like. Okay, let's go to the terminal and see if we can run few useful Docker commands. Okay, once the once the Docker is installed, we should be able to run Docker version, right? Like if everything is installed properly, you should be able to see the version and build number. Okay, we can run Docker hyphen help to see all the available useful commands. There are multiple commands available in the Docker tool. We'll go through a few of them. Okay, first one we have here is Docker images. So this command will list down all the images present in your local machine. So images are nothing but images will have right our application code as well as dependencies, right? Like then we will deploy these images in a container that will be running responsible for running this application. Yep. So there are multiple steps involved in the image. One is image pull, right? We can pull an image using Docker pull. Then we should provide the image name, right? So image name and version, right? So for example, we have a image called node latest, right? So first in this one, the first part is the image name. Then we have a versioning strategy. So node latest is nothing but it is the node latest image of the node.js, right? So when I run this one, Docker pull node latest. So this will pull the latest image of node from the Docker Hub to my machine. Docker Hub is nothing but it's an public repository provided from the Docker. We will be able to store all the required images, right? There are like open source images or the different images which will be helpful. Those they will be present in the Docker Hub. We'll be able to pull the images from there and use it as per our requirement, right? So basically, this is nothing but it is pulling the image or downloading the image from the Docker Hub to my machine. Based on your network speed, it will take a few seconds or minute. See, now I have the image downloaded in my system. Okay, let's see, check that out by running Docker images. Okay, now you can see this is the image present. Okay, so earlier when I ran Docker images, I did not get any. I was just getting just header. There was no images present in my system. Now we can see node latest, right? This is the image present. Okay. Okay. So coming back to the this thing. Yeah. Let's see. Let's quickly go through Docker Hub. Okay, so this is where all the public images will be stored. Docker hub.docker.com, right? Here we will be able to see different images, right? For example, if I search for node, we can see, right, node.js, javascript based platform for server side network application, then different applications, right, different images we have uh, present here. You can see there are multiple images based on your search history. Then if you click on the this one, right, node, here we have a different versions present here, Alpine and different, right, version 22, 20 slim, everything, right, 19, 18, all these versions are present. Based on your application requirement, you can use the different version, pull and use the different versions. So basically this is where all the Docker images present. These are like public images, or the like which will be available for the public use. Yep. In the org usage, like we will have a, like most of the time in the like companies will have their own artifactory, or the Docker hub, right, instance, where we will be pushing and pulling images, like private. It's a private hub for storing the like confidential images or the code resource, right, like this thing. But this one is a publicly available. Most of the open source, or the like which is available for the public, we will be able to store it here, over here. Yep, going forward, then we have Docker PS. This command will list down all the active containers, right? So currently I'm not running any container. We can see the empty list. Then we have a Docker build command. This command will be helpful to build an custom Docker images, right? We will be going through this command in the next video in detail. Um, then we have Docker tag. This command is helpful to tag the image, like whatever the custom image we have created. This will be helpful to tag the image. Then we have a Docker push. This will be helpful to push the image to the Artifactory or Docker hub, right? We have seen just now. For to push the image, we should have a account present in the Docker hub, and we should log into the Docker hub using the Docker login, right? Something like this. we can see login succeeded. Now I will be able to push the Docker image, the custom Docker image I have built to the Docker Hub, so that anyone can use that, download and use that code. Yeah, that's all for this video. In the next video, we will be going through these each of these commands in detail, and we will be creating a Node.js sample application. We will be building that Node.js application, and we'll be pushing that application to the Docker Hub, and we'll be starting the application using the containerization technique, right? Like this thing. Um, that's it for this video. I will see you guys in the my next video. Thank you.